Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change your payment method in Google Play. First go to your Play Store, then click on right top corner icon and go to payment and subscriptions. Click on payment methods. Here you can see I have already added a payment method. If I want to change that, click on more payment settings. Here you can add another payment method. Click on add payment method and give all your card details. After giving your card details, you can remove your previous card by clicking on remove and remove your card. Here you can see now we have only one payment method that we just added, and now if you want to purchase anything, only this method will show. Your previous payment method is removed. And this is how you can change your payment method in Google Play. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in our next video.